Thank you. With halib coconut milk, this one po na. You can eat this one.
Coconut na
Yan na the ish.
Yan lang yung ulam natin, wala na?
Biryani.
Biryani. May biryani.
Ang init ng kanin. Ang lambot.
Lambot. Ada kinakarban po na.
Kadim.
Ano yun?
Mula hadap pilpil.
Grabe, ang lambot ng kanin.
Kahit sa gitna mo pa kunin.
Lambot mahal.
Kahit sa gitna mo nga kunin. Hindi ko yan nalagyan ng manok pala. Gusto mo manok?
May bibihon? Ha? Bihon maybe?
Lambot ako. Pilpil tabi. Minasawi tofu na.
Mas. Yeah, dalian.
Hindi sa amin.
One?
That's not my mother.
Sinamal.
Ano masarap?
Alas wahid ka.
Anak ka lang, sarap din.
Wahid kalas.
Ayun, idabara sa atis asra chidi.
Oh.
Har wide na. Tina.
Ito may bere?
Bajway. Huh? Kada ba? Halo. Ano na naman?
Ramit siya.
Did you see mama?
Pi mama mawjud.
Yan lang.
Rugan pa bina. One bit siya.
You eat pizza? Mama take you? Mama take you to the bathroom?
Not in the bathroom.
Gurpa ada gurpa bina.
Mama take you in the bathroom.
Ah, very good.
But I want rice.
You want rice? Okay. You sit here.
I will need my bag.
Ano daw kukunin niya? Ate ni Hada. Bag.
Lagyan mo na lang pala siya ng ano, biryani.
Biryani?
Tapos manok. Uda, you want white rice or the biryani one? With chicken?
I want that.
White rice?
Yes.
White rice daw, Nick.
O manok din ito kukunin ko.
Oo.
I will do that.
Ada ganyan ni Paul Lim.
Ha, the bet mal ayang. Bet ayang.
Sit here. Saan yung upuan? Upuan na. Can you give me the small chair? Sit here with me, okay?
No, I'm not sitting here. I want to sit with you.
I'm sitting here.
Purna, can you go to another place?
Okay.
Another side. Kali,
Maybe I want white.
White rice. But blow, ha? Hot.
Hi.
I
pansit,
need my bag.
And I will put in my
saka tofu. Pagkain namin ngayon.
Blow, please. I will put this one here, okay? Blow. Blow, blow. Oh, blow, go.
You blow in the rice. You blow, not anywhere.
Yeah, eat now.
Again.
You can eat now.
Gaga, you didn't eat pizza there?
Why you not take pizza? You don't like
You
pizza?
don't like pizza? There is pizza in the sala.
Okay, you get some pizza.
Ah, okay, but you don't like.
You get the pizza for me.
No, I'm shy. I'm afraid.
You can
Kasi ang kamaya kapitso na bunda.
Bakit naman afraid?
pizza. Yeah, sham.
Why you
Later
afraid?
we will eat pizza, okay? In the sala.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay, eat now.
What I get?
Pizza ba yung buti man niya?
Mama, you see Mama in the sala or no?
Bala,
Not
medyo.
Nakita na raw niya. Dinala na nga siya sa CR.
You want small spoon?
Huh?
Small spoon?
No.
You know? What's that?
No.
That's your phone.
It is this.
That's your phone.
No, that's my phone. But me.
What you watching that?
I'm watching this one.
Movie?
I'm putting this one on here.
Ada biryani. Hello, tara bachari ako.
Ano ito ba yan?
Ida alhin sa biryani yakal sida namaha. Bache risel talata itnin yung talatal yung sila.
Sige na nga.
Ada biryani akil malwen.
Hindi.
Hindi sa
Hindi, much goes.
matchbox. Eat now.
Mahdi, mal Saudi sa.
Saudi.
Kapsa, Mahdi, Saudi.
Mandi o kabsa pinalit sa sa. Nipsos lang sa.
It's hot. Put here.
Nah.
This one hot.
The pot is hot. Your
maybe
phone
it's
will be
bum.
damaged. Eh.
Bombing. Bam down.
Don't put in the this one hot. And then if no eat now. Eat. No. No, don't play with food, please.
I'm not playing food of it.
What you do?
I'm going to take over there.
Okay. Okay, play. Eat now. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. No, that's spoon. That's not nice. Are we friends or no?
Yes, we're
Okay.
friends. Okay, not working. Working.
Loading lang pala yung ano niya. Yung laro niya.
Nag-work na?
Loading pa din.
Walang internet eh. Nalobat nga yung kan ko, di ba?
That's what. Oh, spaghetti.
Okay. Press the ground.
Meatballs. Meatballs spaghetti.
Okay,
Ang dami
now
nang di
it's
gumagawa
the
ng
shoe.
Pinoy.
Hmm?
Oh,
Meatballs
what's the
spaghetti.
shoe one?
Ako.
Oh,
Gusto mo?
okay. Okay. And now we are going to what he's doing.
Nati. Eda intiin kin yakil hada bilbit matrus pilpil hada sa. Alin akil intikil marasa winini.
Ba't hindi ako gumawa pala ng pusit? No? Kalimutan ko. I forget.
Okay, that was that.
Pusit.
Oh no. Maybe he cried a little.
Taniw sugo.
Wala kasi ako niluto. Hindi ako nagluto ngayong araw na to.
Lumabas kayo?
Hindi.
Init lang. At least nakapagpahinga din. You want the chicken to do like this, small, small?
No.
Huh? You want?
No.
Okay. Eat now.
Eat now, my darling.
Wow. Eat now, my baby. Eat now, little princess.
Eat it.
No, I'm finished.
Okay. Wow, I need a chicken.
Hello, boss.
Banana.